Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Liz. I am a hobbyist seamstress from Australia, and I want to share my little tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to help beginners and intermediate sewers on their sewing journey. Today I wanted to share a technique that my grandmother taught, not me but my mum, and it's how to thread a hand sewing needle in the most efficient way possible. Once you master this technique, you should be able to thread your hand sewing needle in only about 5 seconds, and I really hope it helps you on your journey of sewing adventures. Yeah, there's a button. Okay, so this is very quickly the technique in real time. Select your needle and grab your thread about 2 inches from the end, wrap it over your needle and pinch it around the needle. Keep holding that and pull it off the needle. Now the little loop that you've made around the needle should very easily go through the eye of the needle. Now once again you wrap the thread over the needle, hold it there with your index finger, pinch with your thumb and index finger of your other hand, and pull the loop off the needle and push the little loop through the eye of your needle. And it goes through the eye much easier than if you are trying to push a single thread through. Once you get the hang of this, you can probably manage to do it in only about 5 seconds. If someone in your family or perhaps a family friend taught you this technique, I would love to hear about that in the comments. Even perhaps some YouTubers or bloggers showed you this technique. I would love to hear about that because I love finding out about fellow crafty people who use older style techniques. Just full disclosure, I don't monetize my videos. I'm just here on YouTube to make friends in the sewing community and log my progress. So when I say subscribe and leave a comment, I really mean it, because I really want to make friends here on YouTube who are like-minded in the crafting community.
Two buttons.
You love sewing too, don't you?
2 buttons.
2 buttons? And what's this one? Teddy. He keeps grabbing the camera. Thank you, sweetie.